So you own a business, you plan on purchasing a house either this year or next year, don't make this mistake. Watch this. So here's the problem. Most business owners think that however much money they made in a previous year, that automatically equals how much the lenders are going to qualify you for when it comes to DTI. False. That's not true at all. The Schedule C is what the lenders use as your income document when you're LLC. Most small business owners, I'd say probably 80–90% are LLC. So this applies to you. So what that means is if you made $100,000 last year, however, your Schedule C shows $38,000, guess what? That lender is going to ignore the 100K and they're going to say 38,000 is how much you truly profited last year. We're going to use this money to qualify you for your house. That's a big difference. That's a huge swing depending on what your debt is, right? So if you actually were trying, that could be a difference between purchasing a $500,000 house and a $300,000 house, depending on how that shakes out. Tax planning doesn't start during tax season. Tax planning starts the year prior. It's not too late now for this year, but last year, whatever you did, it is what it is, right? But know that going forward, that your Schedule C is everything, right? Your credits don't apply. So when it comes down to your child tax credit, your EV credits, your solar credits, stuff like that, that doesn't hurt you. All your deductions. So if you're doing like mileage deductions, if you just bought a car, you're deducting that. All those deductions are great and it helps you save money on your taxes. However, it's not that great when you're trying to purchase a house. So consult a tax professional before you're looking to make a major purchase the year prior, because they're going to strategize and sit down with you and show you what you're supposed to do to maximize. Sometimes, hey, you may need to pay a little bit more in taxes to get that house. And then after you get that house, then you can deduct galore, right? But consult somebody, make sure you're doing it right. You only got one chance to do it. Don't make that mistake. See you next time.